Have you ever come across a screenshot or an image and wondered, what am I looking at here? Whether it's a chart, a meme, or a photo, Copilot in Edge or Copilot in Chat can analyze your image and tell you exactly what's going on. This feature is perfect for gaining clarity of complex visuals, quickly understanding content, or even getting help with a screenshot that's hard to interpret. So let me show you what I mean. I'm going to click on the web toggle in Chat in Teams, and I'm going to pop in an image of a chart that I would like Copilot to have a look at. So I pop the image in there and I'll ask Copilot to describe this image. What is this chart displaying and what are the key insights? So it's going to analyze the image for me. Straight away, it's coming back with information on how it's broken down, what it sees. So it's told me that video games, creating charts, cleaning laundry, making charts pretty are key tasks and how much percentage of time is spent on those tasks. And then it gives me a bit more insight into those charts. Let's try something else. Let's select a image, a photo or meme. So I've asked Copilot to tell me what it can see. It's going to analyze that image. Let's see what it thinks of the text that it sees there and Clippy and the logo. Really interested to see what it comes back here. Okay, so it tells us that it can see an image that depicts an interaction between two characters with Clippy on the left, the animated paperclip assistant from Office saying, Copilot, I am your father. And then on the right, you've got the logo from Microsoft Copilot. Key insight, the image plays on the famous line from Star Wars, suggesting the humorous, familiar relationship between Clippy and Copilot. It also mentions that it highlights the nostalgic and technological advancement within Microsoft's suite of tools. So I think it did a pretty good job there. I'd love to know what you think. Well, I hope you found that useful, and if you did, don't forget to check out our next tip. Until next time.
Welcome to the Copilot Cafe. Join Joe for a 10-minute stay. Learn new tips every day with demos that